Aam Aadmi Party might not think Congress is part of the plan, but Congress definitely thinks that Aam Aadmi Party is part of its tactical alliance for 2014.
I think we are jumping to conclusions, and it is too early to think about all these things and just discuss on that point. But the fact remains that Aam Aadmi Party, as it has shown what it has done in Delhi, definitely will have to deliver the goods the way it has promised. And so that is why I'm saying it is a little too early to speak about alliances or their performance, because they will have to prove in the short term, of course, in the coming few months, what are they able to deliver as they have promised. And only then we can talk about what the alliances would be. But we are definitely happy in a sense that, well, there has been some option, because they are fed up of the Indian people are fed up of the traditional conventional parties. But here there is one significant thing which we are noticing is that you are asking a question to the BJP. The space, of course, has been taken away by the Aam Aadmi Party in urban areas, and that is why these continuous discussions, where would they cause the problem? And so I think it's a little too early to ask the Congress anything about what would happen in the future.
That's a very convenient and selective way of looking at the poll. Debunk what you don't like, embrace what you like. But I want to put this question to Meera Sanyal. Given the time frame that's left, is there a real possibility that Aam Aadmi Party ends up like a Raj Thackeray in the Lok Sabha elections? You pull enough away from the BJP NDA alliance, depending on which state we're looking at, to help the Congress and its alliance partners do better than they would have done otherwise. Meera Sanyal.
So Rahul, I think you need to have a look at this survey and listen to what the Indian people are saying. It's not just what the survey says. You go onto the streets of this country, anywhere, both the urban voter and the rural voter is fed up with traditional political parties. And that means both the Congress and the BJP and all the others. All this time there was no alternative. In 2009, the saying, including in media, was, let's vote for the lesser evil. Now this country for the first time has a chance to vote for the greater good. And I would say, let's wait for a couple of months and you will see them coming out voting in strength for a party which offers a good alternative. So, you know, all of this stuff about being
No, but you aren't answering the most substantive question. Where are your leaders?
It will not.
In Assam? Where are your leaders in Bengal? Where are your leaders in Tamil Nadu, in Kerala? There is no one well known. You know, you might be there in your pocket of South Mumbai.
Well, let me ask this question, Rahul.
Yes.
No. Let me ask the same question of the Congress and the BJP. Where are their leaders in Kerala? Where are their leaders in Bengal?
They run the government over there.
Come on,
I think...
No,
I don't understand that question. They run the government in Kerala. They've got a full cabinet full of people. You've got MPs from there. Surely that argument doesn't hold, Meera. What are you talking about?
Come on, Rahul. Where are the BJP leaders in Kerala?
No,
okay, that's a problem.
Let's talk about the national presence.
BJP is not a strong player in Kerala.
No, but where are your leaders in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan? You are claiming to be a national party. Prashant Bhushan spoke of winning 300 seats. There are 23% of the people in this poll who are saying you might get a majority. You don't even have leaders.
I think
what are we talking about?
That was not the right question to ask, actually.
Hold on a minute.
Yes.
Hold on a minute.
Yes.
This is a party which has just won an election in Delhi, and all their attention was focused on Delhi, which is what they should have done wisely, and they won. Now give it a little time and you will soon see leaders emerging across the country.
But you don't have time. Time is what you don't have. The election's around the corner.
I beg to differ, Rahul. The people who don't have time are the traditional political parties. We will have the time and we will win.
All that we have seen in Aam Aadmi Party, the visible faces are people like Captain Gopinath, Meera Sanyal and a few others, and some discarded elements from Gujarat. I think if these are the people who are going to represent Aam Aadmi Party and win them elections, I think good luck to them.
I need to take a break. When we come back, which are the specific states where the Aam Aadmi Party is likely to do best? Which are the cities outside Delhi where AAP is doing well? And which are the states where they're on the weakest footing? We'll analyze those parameters when we come back with the rest of the results of the India Today Group C Voter Opinion Poll.